Okay, it's November 23rd, day before Thanksgiving, and here we are in the Biltmore site. Our work's just about done here. You can see everything's cleaned up. The road has been laid. They're going to put steel down, and here's where they're moving it. Right over here onto this beautiful new foundation. You see the guys, a lot of guys have taken off half day because of Thanksgiving holiday. Some are still working. Guys over there are doing testing on the geo piers they put in. There's going to be a big condo building right here. But as I get closer over to the main end that they're picking up, you can see how they're doing this, and it's pretty amazing. The folks over at Wolf Engineering are going to pick this thing up, and they are going to move it. And look at the size of those beams underneath there. Massive. Each one of those is going to be GPS coordinated and controlled, and they're going to lift the building up. I hear they're going to lift it up next week possibly, or the week after, and get it situated. And then under these big beams, see these giant beams that they've put together, they are going to put the roller skates under it. And boy, won't that be something. We're going to try to update you. Hopefully we're still here when they do this. I'm walking through the sand. But there's their control module there. But look at the size of the beams here. It's going up, and give you kind of a sense of how big it is. I've taken a lot of pictures, but to get a sense of these beams, 50 footers, end to end, 50, 50, 50. And then these guys inside here. I mean, it's crazy. Again, here's the control module, and they hook up to this, and everything's controlled from this panel here. But I'm still going. We're about 160 feet long here, and all these beams are put in perfect position to start rolling it. I'm going to go down to the end and then kind of give you a little panoramic back, show you what's going on. There's some of the roller skates over there, but look at that. And there she is. I'm going to pick this whole thing up, and where I'm standing looking down that face, they're going to turn this thing 90 degrees. And you can see here, look at that. And they got this worked out. I'm underneath now. Hope it shows up. I got everything positioned, ready to go. All blocked up. And then right here, you can see where they're going to pick it up right there, and then the skates will go underneath there. So, I mean, they even made provision. They're taking the chimneys with them. Isn't that interesting? They just cut out a spot there, and then when they lift it, it'll just pop the rest of the seam, and the whole chimney, everything will go with it. So this is kind of a fun thing to see how they're doing it. And then when they do pick it up, it's going to be pretty impressive. So I'm running out to the back here, and we're just about done, but I thought I'd show you the skates that they're going to put it on. Look at that. Big, 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 big. But over there you can see there's more dunnage, and then there's the skates. And all those skates have got a hydraulic control. It's all synced in, as I'm told, with the GPS system. And also they're going to lay a steel bed down. But here it is. These guys go right there. You see all the hookups. There's your pads. And I'm not sure, I don't think this is all of them. We got a few more over here, back on the other side of that loader, but there she is. I'm going to pick her up, move it about 300 yards. So that's it from Belleair. Thanksgiving Eve. Hope everyone has a good Thanksgiving. Take care.